Ever wondered what the life of an LSPM online student looks like? Get ready for a glimpse into a day brimming with dynamic learning experiences and virtual connections. From the comfort of your own space, dive into immersive lectures, exchange ideas with peers from around the globe, and build lasting connections that transcend borders. At LSPM, online learning isn't just about acquiring knowledge, it's about forging meaningful connections and embracing a collaborative spirit. Experience the future of education with LSPM Online. Join us and embark on a journey of discovery, connection, and growth, all from the comfort of your home. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.